Are you licking those bogies? You disgust me. Eee, you're licking them. Gross. Gonna stop playing with that. Glenn, you're going to break it. And then you'll never ever be able to play with it ever again. Is that your concentrated face? Face of concentration. Where's your angry face?
There.
There. Where's your happy face? Where's your crazy face? Where is your poo face? Where is Thomas? Where is Daddy? Where's Daddy?
He's way out
Where?
upstairs.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not. Stop licking your bogies.
Flappy.
You need to blow your nose.
Oh.
Oh, that is bogging, Glenn. Oh, Glenn, don't wipe it all over your sleeve. That's gross.
That's